and welcome back to my channel. I'm Bean, and today I am going to be showing you how to get this eye look right here using the ColourPop Yes Please palette. It looks like this. I've done a tutorial on my channel using this palette before, but I wanted to do a bright yellow look, and I think this palette has really good yellow shades in it. We are just about to spring, and I think this is a bright, fun spring look. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Hello everyone, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Yes Please palette to get this bright yellow glittery look that I've got on. I will start out with this cream shade here, the first shade in the palette, on a big fluffy brush to put all over my entire lid to set the eye primer that I have on. That gives me a clean canvas to start with for the eye look. I'm gonna go in with this light peachy shade here, the third shade in the palette, and I'm gonna use this as my transition shade. I'm just going to buff that in my crease and give a little bit of a base for the bright orange shadow that I will be putting down afterward. I will then be going in with the second shadow in the palette, this bright orange, and I'm going to put this in my crease using a fluffy brush, and I'm just fluffing that all through my crease. I want a good wash of color because this is the base for the eye look. I am going in to get a little bit more and adding that to intensify the orange. I am using this to give a little bit of an angle to my eye as well. Next, I'm going in with this brown shade, and I'm going to put that in my crease as well. I am going to keep this one a little bit lower than the orange just to deepen it out a little bit and give a little bit more dimension between the orange shade and the yellow shades that I'm going to put on my lid. The next shade that I'm going to use is this bright yellow. I am going to put this all over my lid as a base for the shimmer shadows that I'm going to add on top. I just wanted to put this shadow down first to intensify the brightness of the yellow. I'm getting this sort of maroon berry shade, and I'm going to place this in my outer corner, just buffing that in and across to kind of blend all of those shadows together and give my eye a little bit more dimension. Next, I'm going back into the yellow and just brightening that area up again and giving it a bit more intensity. Now I'm going in with the peach and orange shades, and I am adding that to my lower lash line. I'm putting that about to the middle of my lower lash line, a little bit in the inner corner, and connecting that to the shadow. I'm going to take the yellow shade and put that on the inner corner of my lower lash line. And I'm going to blend that in with the orange and peach shade that I put on the outer edge. Now I'm grabbing a clean brush, and I am just going to buff out the edges of the shadow so that I get rid of any harsh lines. Next, I'm grabbing Nylon from MAC, and I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone. I'm also using this to highlight my inner corners. Next, I'm going to grab the orange shimmery shade. I'm going to add MAC Fix Plus to my brush so that it keeps the shadow a bit more compact and brightens it up a little bit more. And I'm going to put this all over my lid about halfway from the outer corner. Then I'm going to use the gold shimmery shade. I'm going to spray this one with Fix Plus as well, and I'm going to put this on the inner corner side of my lid and blend that in with the other orange shadow. I think that this brightens the inner corner really well and gives a nice yellow-orange gradient to the eye. I am adding a little bit more of the orange just to blend those two together and keep keep the line in the middle a little bit less harsh. Now I'm going back in with the orange shade and the brown shade that we used in the crease just to intensify the color. Since we put the shimmer shades on the lid, some of that other color gets blended away, so I just wanted to bring back the intensity. Now I will be taking the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow Highlight in Flexitarian and adding that just a little bit to my inner corner. The inner corner wasn't as bright as it could have been for this look, so I added a little bit more. Next, I'm going in with a nude eyeliner on my waterline just to brighten my eyes and cover the bit of redness that I have. I'm going to use this Essence mascara today. I love this mascara. I think it is super volumizing and quite lengthening as well. Pretty sure I got some in my eye, and that's why I'm being really weird. I got some on my face. That's sad. I'll wipe it off later. This is the look finished. It's super easy, super quick, and it doesn't take very long to achieve at all. Okay, so that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I hope you liked this look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Tag me on Instagram if you guys recreate it. I'd love to see what you guys do. I'll have all the products that I use in the description box down below. Take a second to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.